The Cicapair Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment SPF 30 is a game changer for anyone looking to correct redness and protect their skin from UV damage. In this video, we'll be sharing its benefits, how to use it properly, and some important do's and don'ts. The Cicapair Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment SPF 30 by Dr. Jart is a multi-purpose cream designed to correct redness, protect the skin from UV rays, and improve the overall appearance of your complexion. This treatment is formulated with tiger grass known as Centella asiatica, which has soothing and healing properties, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Here are the key ingredients in the treatment. The first ingredient is tiger grass, Centella asiatica. Known for its soothing and healing properties, it helps to calm irritated skin and reduce redness. The next ingredient is niacinamide, which is a form of vitamin B3. Niacinamide is a water-soluble vitamin. It helps to visibly fade skin discoloration and reduce redness. And mineral sunscreens, titanium dioxide and zinc oxide, provide broad-spectrum SPF 30 protection, reflecting and scattering harmful UVA and UVB rays. Let's now jump into how to use the product in your skincare routine. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser and pat it dry. Apply your toner, which is optional. Apply your water-based serums. Apply oil-based serums. Then apply your moisturizer. Warm a dime-size amount of the Cicapair cream between your hands, then gently press and blend it into your skin. The cream will change from green to beige as you blend, evening out your skin tone and neutralizing redness. Apply more as needed. Use alone as a color corrector for a natural makeup look, or use as a primer, and follow with your favorite foundation if more coverage is desired. Here are some important do's and don'ts to keep in mind when using the product. Do a patch test before using it on your face to ensure you're not allergic to any of the ingredients. Do use it daily to maintain an even skin tone and protect against UV damage. Don't skip your regular skincare steps. Use the cream as the final step in your routine. The treatment by Dr. Jart is an excellent addition to your skincare routine, offering numerous benefits for correcting redness, protecting your skin from UV damage, and improving your overall complexion. By incorporating it into your daily routine and following the proper do's and don'ts, you can achieve a more even, protected, and radiant complexion. If you want to learn more about how to correct redness and protect your skin, check out this video here next.